Namaste friends, my name is Dr. Reuben Mendonca from the Department of Emergency Medicine at Apollo Hospitals, Navi Mumbai. Today I am here to talk to you about emergencies in children in day-to-day life. Today I am going to talk to you about superficial burns. Burns occurs when there is a damage to the skin or deeper tissues. It can be because of sun, hot liquids, chemicals or fire. Severity and size depends on the area of the body. It causes intense pain, burning sensation and skin irritation, and at times can lead to blister formation. Immediately keep your hand in running tap water for about 10 minutes, which will clear the substance causing the burns. You can even keep your hand off food which is affected in ice cold water to decrease the burning sensation and pain. Do not apply toothpaste on burns. Instead, you can use a Burnol or Silverex ointment to apply on the wound if superficial. Once done, you may have to visit the nearest doctor or hospital for further management. You may call 1066 for an ambulance and further assistance.